some of the repairs that I've done on here, pretty simple. I'm going to show you what I did. The water, when I put the shower on, was pouring out of this little joint, or whatever this thing's called, joint, whatever it's called. I got some Teflon tape stuff there. So I asked all the people on the tab site, NuCamp site, what to do, and one guy said these threads aren't supposed to be showing, but the thread is longer than this piece right here, so it has to be showing. So I don't know. Anyway, the washer, no, coupler, no, wait, what's it called? Gasket, that's right. Gasket is the black rubber thing. The gasket was kind of misshapen, like almost like the letter D, so it'd been kind of smashed. So I let it sit out for a little while, and my nephew said it's fine, and he put it back in there, and we put some Teflon tape, and there's no more leaks. But the leak, there's water, I'll show you in a video, that comes out all under here when I have the shower turned on. So what I'm doing is I'm removing these screws. I just took out that one, and I'm going to take this cover off, and I'll see if I can find out what is causing water to run out. Okay, I got the little gasket thing fixed, but is water supposed to be coming out from underneath this area? It's kind of pouring out right there. So you need a square tip thingy, and you got to make the little ratchet thing go the right direction. I'm learning all this stuff. Okay. You can't get a screwdriver in there because it's too short of a space. And what tidbit of information I found out, that the square tip screwdriver is also known as the Robertson screw tip. They make this look so easy on videos. I mean, this thing is almost impossible to keep straight. I have to do it with two hands. And this little screw tip thing doesn't even stay on here. Come on, guys, we need better video. The thing keeps falling. Ugh. I got all four of the things off, and Creed told me to take this off, so I'm gonna try it. Creed, don't fail me. Oh God, here it comes. Okay, I gotta see what's leaking down in here. Oh shit. Okay, so I can't let this go. Crap. How am I gonna see if the water is leaking? Okay, I'm barely doing it like that. I'm gonna see what's leaking. Shit, that thing. It's the bottom piece. Okay, how in the heck am I gonna tighten that? It's tight, tight, tight. Okay, so, yep, it's squirting out. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I'm gonna try to tighten this. Shit, better view this. This is the part that's leaking. It seems to be leaking from this area right there and not in here, but this is really tight. So okay, I got to figure out how to fix this. And the problem is also is this thing is just kind of hanging, you know, so I got to figure out like how to keep this steady, or I don't want to have it pull on these connections, you know what I mean? So I need to get like a stool or something to prop this up while I work on it. Oh well, I'm learning. Do not use this video as instructional material. Got that thing off. It wasn't that hard because I just kind of unscrewed this part a little bit, and this came undone really fast. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna put some. It's got the gasket thing on there. That looks fine. So maybe it just wasn't enough. It wasn't tight enough. I guess I'm gonna go get some. What is that stuff called? Plumber's tape. And I'll put some of that around that. But the trick is, I'm not sure which direction to put it. Okay, I finally got this thing tightened. And that was not easy, because this part is just kind of hanging, so it's hard to work on it. So, and you have to hold the front part while you're holding the back part, because they're connected, so it moves, obviously. So see, if I'm turning the front part, the back part moves. So I put some Teflon tape right there, the gray part, and then tightened it with, I don't know what those things are, I guess some kind of wrench thing. And I've turned the water on, and so far so good. So I think that was it, but I'm hoping that that's not a problem right there. Ugh, my hands are all scratched up. I'm hoping this is okay right here. Is that too much of a kink right there? I had to turn it though. I don't know, we'll see. Yay, I think it's all fixed.